Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-innovation.com. Guys, today I have one surprise for all of you. So today we have one special guest with us and he will be joining us. And so if you remember, day before yesterday I uploaded one video on YouTube where I have collected couple of questions, right, for free consultation. So those who are not comfortable coming on live, they are not able to, they don't want this video to be on YouTube. So I have collected these questions. So today one expert is joining us. He will be also sharing his views and we both will share our views and let's see how it goes. So yeah, so here is our main guest. Hey, hi Ramesh.
Hey guys, how are you?
I guess you can't
Yeah,
see.
I think it's visible. Good, I think that's good. I think you sent me these questions last night
Yes.
and I was like really good. A lot of good response. That's really good to know. Some really good questions.
Yeah.
And then definitely I hope we can
Yeah, definitely.
help.
So we'll try our best, guys. It is just I have my different points. Even Naveen have its own different points. So we'll share our views. Based on that, you can take a call. In case still, if you need any other kind of help or consultation, again we will be sharing our views based on which kind of questions we are getting. So those who are comfortable, I will be having one-to-one video call with you, and I will be uploading. But those who are not comfortable, for them this is just our views. So welcome once again, Naveen.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks,
you for
guys.
joining. Even it's Saturday, he actually came in the afternoon. He will be spending some like good quality time with me. We will be having some other different plans. So let's see how it goes. So Naveen, I have noted down 6 very important questions, and I need your views on this. So
Okay.
let's get started. So guys, there's very famous question, or not just famous, but frequently asked question that I have worked on Selenium with Java, but new companies or the moment they joining some other teams or the company, they have to work on Selenium with C# or Python or sometimes even PHP. So people are confused, like should they go with a different programming language or not, because they have spent a lot of time with that particular programming language. So is it good time, like if after spending 5 to 7 years, should we change our programming language for Selenium or not? Yes, Naveen.
Yeah, I think there is no harm to go with some other programming languages. Like it's fun to learn.
Okay.
You already spent 3-4 years in Java, for example, let's see, and then you really suddenly got to work in C# or Python. It's always fun to learn. It's always good that you should have something extra in your profile, and it's a very good value addition. So don't get scared that I got maybe trained in Java or I've been working with Java, and
Yes.
then better to pick up that particular language, Python and C# and whatever the languages learning is always fun. And if your basics are good, if your object-oriented programming concepts are good,
Okay.
you can easily learn C#, you can easily learn Python.
Python, correct.
And especially with Python is always like it's fun to learn.
Yes.
So I think there is no problem with that. You should just go for it and just try to learn the basic stuff. And then when you work together and then with the team and everything, then I think it's good to go. And then I don't think so it will take much time to learn the things.
Okay, so that is another question. Like if they have good experience in Java, so how much time it takes to move from one programming language to another programming language? Is it like too much time consuming or too much a pressure, like completely different syntax?
Yeah, it takes initially time, especially with JavaScript, because JavaScript such slightly weird syntaxes are there, but I really don't think so. The problem with the Java is that if you're coming from the Java background and moving to JavaScript or Python, then moving from object-oriented programming to a scripting language, that slightly takes time. But when you are used to it, when you are opening your editor and writing daily basis and
Yes.
spending some good amount of time daily, I don't think so that will be a problem.
Okay.
But my advice is that initially learn about the basic syntaxes like if loop and for loop, if else conditions, switch cases, how to write a basic class and
Okay.
basic method, return type and all those things.
Yes.
And then I think when you know the fundamentals, then you are good to go.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, again, this is very important point. Like it will not take much time, but yes. See one thing, like Java, but now market demands JavaScript, and if you stick to only Java,
Yep.
right? If you're not that flexible, then again they might have to look for other resources because you're not that flexible, right? So there's very important point by Vivek Bindra. I'm a big fan of Vivek Bindra. He says, market क्या चाहता है और मुझे क्या आता है. अगर दोनों में problem है, then you will not be fit for that job. Let's say market demands JavaScript and you stick to only Java, then definitely there's a mismatch. And if you take the reverse case, that is also a mismatch, right? So what market demands, if you go with the market, if you go with the flow, you will be able to survive in the market.
Correct. And one thing I would like to point out here that it's not like we are promoting JavaScript or Python or something
Exactly.
like this.
No.
Still, if you see the survey right now, that Selenium Dev Survey, 491 people they participated over
Exactly.
there, and 67% people they are still using
Selenium
Java for that.
Exactly.
So it's not about that for the it's totally up to your choice. If you are not happy with Java or happy with Python and with Selenium, then just go for it with Python. Some people say that okay, no, I could not learn Java properly, but I'm really good in Python.
Right.
Those also people are there.
Yes, exactly.
And then the actual thing will start when you're going for the market. So that's why like you can prepare Java, no doubt about it. But on top of that, maybe one or two languages for the market interview point of view. And then I think you should go with that.
Yeah.
That is also one factor you have to consider, that what is going on in the market.
Exactly.
Like that. So I think there is no problem to learn some different languages. I think you should learn. Yeah.
And another point, Naveen, let's say now if somebody is planning for DevOps, again they can't stick to only Java.
Exactly.
You need to learn Python as well,
Exactly.
or at least shell scripting. So if you think as a long perspective, one programming language, okay, like even if you ask me, my first love is Java, right? Even Naveen mentioned in my YouTube that first love is Java, but recent crush is Python. Yeah. So at least pick two languages, but yeah, depends on your requirement. You need to pick a specific language and continue with that. Okay, but do not fall or do not stick to one programming language.
Great. Yeah. What is the next one?
Okay, so again, this is not frequently asked, but yeah, many people who have gap in their career and now they want to resume their career. Okay, so now they're not getting proper companies, they're not getting called from proper companies, or I will say permanent roles. They're getting contract to hire roles. Okay, CTH. So now they're confused. Should we go with contract employee, like contract jobs or not? Because again, they feel that there's not a security when they go with contract roles. So what is your opinion?
See, I have two opinion on that. Maybe if you are totally you don't have any job, you are totally jobless, and whatever the opportunity that you are getting, it better to having something instead of nothing.
Exactly.
Right? So better just go for it, and then ultimately you have to learn over there. It doesn't matter that okay, you are on the direct position, permanent position, or contract to hire. But if you are coming, let's say you are already in a very good company, for example, any good product company or any really good XYZ company, you're already stable over there, and then contract to hire will try to capture you with a really good amount of money.
Yes.
Please, I think that would be a wrong choice according to me.
True.
Because you're already in the regular position,
Exactly.
and then contract to hire, just like in pandemic situation happened, that okay, most of the contract to hire position got, they just got fired.
Yes, exactly. Within 3 months, I guess they have.
Exactly. So you will be the first person to, in terms of job security, companies will take a decision on you instead of firing other people who are already having on their payroll. So better you just think smartly, and just not because of 10-15,000 extra bucks, that better you just go for a regular position. But if you are not having any job, and then you're really frustrated with the current job, and your package is also very low, and your manager is not at all supporting, and then you try to learn with some other things, and contract to hire is coming suddenly, then I think you can take a decision, you can think about it, you can do some research about that company, that okay, maybe after 6 months or 1 year they will convert me to the permanent role or not.
Yes.
So you just talk to the HR, to their people, connect with the people on LinkedIn, and just check their status, how exactly they started with the contract to hire with the same company, and they got converted into the permanent role.
Yeah. So I've seen many guys actually, even in my company, they were contract employees, but they did extremely well and they got converted within 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And very important fact which I want to share here, like when you go with big companies, and again they will be having 5 to 6 rounds, right? You have to go through first of all you have to clear the coding round with the hacker rank lead code, right? So it's a tedious process. But again, if you go through contract employee, interview rounds will not be that tough, first of all.
Correct.
But indirectly you will be deployed to the same company. Let's say you are looking for if you try directly, you might not get into that directly, because again it's a tedious process or rules. But if you go through CTH, again you will be getting little less package, but you will get deployed to that company. You will understand how they work, what is their process, right? Their benefits, working culture, everything. And if you perform very well, okay, that's my guarantee. Okay, if the company have that, I will say the resource requirement, you will get deployed as a permanent role. Okay, so it's not really very bad. But yes, as Naveen said, if you are into permanent role, then you should try for the permanent role. But yeah, if you are someone who does not have any job, right, then ना मिलने से कुछ अच्छा है.
Exactly. Let's see. Maybe in US market it's slightly different concept
Yeah,
because
we are talking about India as of now,
yeah,
guys.
in
So
US
don't-
it's maybe most of the jobs are contract based
Contract
jobs,
basis,
and then the
exactly.
people are not worried about it, and
Exactly.
then 6 month contract or 1 year contract or 11 months contract, and they just renew the contract. I mean, and if it is like daily requirement is there, otherwise you just go in the market and get a new contract to hire. But in India, I think contract to hire is not at that level. People will
Exactly.
see you with this image that okay, no, you are permanent employee,
Yes.
and then why are you joining as a contract to
Exactly.
hire, something like this. But still, again, you're absolutely right. If something is really, really much needed, then I think you
Exactly.
should go for it. Otherwise, better to go with the permanent role in that case.
Okay, so guys, the next question is again from one of my subscribers, and I don't want to disclose the name as per the request. But the question is, hi Mukesh, I'm having 3 years experience in as a QA. I have experience in manual automation API, manual through browser and Postman. I have taken maternity break for 3 years, but now I'm not getting good calls. What should I learn and how to prepare or how to update my skills so that it will be useful?
Yeah, I think that's a varied. A lot of people, in fact, asking me also via email and LinkedIn and everywhere.
Yes.
And it's a very common thing that obviously especially for the female candidate, that paternity leave is there for 2 years or 3 years gap.
Yes.
I would advise that okay, don't lose your hope. First of all, that definitely people will hire you, no doubt about it.
Yes.
It's just a matter of practice and spend some time. For next 2, 3, 4 months, you just forget about the interviews and everything. You just prepare yourself, and then you can start getting into the market. Ask your contacts and on LinkedIn, and then try to talk to different HR, and then try to get some good referrals, and then accordingly, then you should go for it. I have seen a lot of candidates in my training and through YouTube. People
Yes.
were actually mailing me
Okay.
and saying that okay, yeah, we were having 3, 4 years ka gap just because of maternity thing, but finally we got the job.
Okay.
So it's all about your attitude and it's all about your learning. One thing I would like to add, that when you are saying that okay, how to justify this 3 years gap,
Yes.
you can justify through maybe some freelancing work, or maybe you practice accordingly.
Yeah.
That I'm not saying that okay, you will exactly kind of work you will be getting just
Yes.
like 3 years experience guy, but you
Exactly.
practice accordingly. For example, that how exactly a 3 years experience or 4 year experience automation guy, they will write the code.
Exactly.
Now practice accordingly, write some proper code, best practices, design patterns, or maybe some basic knowledge of a level of good automation frameworks and everything. And then not the basic knowledge, but yes,
Yeah.
you have to go with the good experience. And then I think I don't think so it will be a big deal.
Okay.
Yeah, according to me.
Yeah, so as Naveen said, right, like even after a break, if you are going with the same passion, same skill set, right, that gap doesn't matter, because I have seen a lot of candidates, they have 3 years of direct, experience, but still they're not able to, give the proper answer. But if you are someone who took the gap of 3 years or 2 years, even after that you're giving, proper answers, you are able to justify experience, as Naveen said. You can tell that during this work or during this period you have done the freelancing, or at least you were learning something.
Yeah.
Don't say that you were sitting idly, because again, even if you don't, see the code in 6 months, again you will forget the syntax, right?
Correct.
So keep checking the code, keep regularly checking the blogs, YouTube videos, take Udemy courses, take trainings, but be in touch with the technologies. Even if you're not writing the code, that's fine. But be in touch, because again, when you don't touch the code for 3-6 months, even sometimes I see what I have written, because we don't document much, right?
Yeah.
And another very good point here. This is only for this duration. On this Women's Day, many companies, they do this women-specific drives, right?
Nice.
Accenture, Cognizant,
Correct.
Deloitte. So you have a good time, at least 8th March, right? For many companies, you will see on the LinkedIn or even Naukri.com, Monster, they will start promoting that they are having women-specific drive. So try to capture this opportunity. Be ready before that. And if you want to give mock interviews, Naveen is running mock sessions. Even I will start soon. So start giving the mocks, so that you should be, knowing the proper answer for each questions. Because sometimes what happens, you know the answer, but you can't explain, or maybe you're not able to communicate, you're not able to express, because interview clearing is a skill. Okay, it's not something even a technical guy cannot clear the interview if he's not able to explain a particular concept, right? So practice it slowly. Okay, don't lose the hope. Even maternity leave is acceptable. 2-3 years is not a big career gap.
Yeah, I mean, it's natural thing.
Yeah,
Obviously,
exactly.
everyone will have a family, and then we should respect female employees and
Exactly.
female candidates, and totally free. आप घबराओ मत. बिल्कुल जाओ and just be confident and
दुर्गा माता बन के जाओ आप.
yes, आप बिल्कुल जाओ and with the experience, proper knowledge, with confidence, and simply say that, okay, yeah, that was the reason, and obviously that from last 2-3 years I was taking care of my baby, my family, and then now,
Acceptable.
but it's see the attitude that I'm learning side by side also.
Exactly.
Although you're having a lot of responsibilities in your plate, but still you're learning, and then you showcase that learning in that way that, as Mukesh said, with proper experience and proper knowledge of automations, Selenium,
Exactly.
testing, everything, and then they will feel. Because the good thing is that जमाना चेंज हो गया है यार. होता क्या है ना कि यार इतने स्टार्टअप्स आ गए हैं, इनको मतलब नहीं है कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या था क्या नहीं था. In Bangalore, there are so many startups. I know people that, okay, they just don't even check the background, and then they don't even check the degree also sometimes.
Exactly.
If you know the things and then you are reliable and then you are valuable, definitely come and then hire you. That is what you can do that. I think that is the personal advice.
Yes.
Female candidates, I would like to give that.
And very important point from salary perspective. Okay, don't think that
Yeah.
that 3 years before I had this package, so now I should be asking salary based on my 3 years experience.
Correct.
No, so because 3 years, if you see the inflation rate itself is 7%. So minimum, don't think that I will be taking the same package which I was taking 3 years back. Okay, so you can ask this question, or maybe you can get this negotiation part based on the current situation. Okay, not the previous years or the 3 years that you have spent.
Yeah, just forget about the salary and all those
Exactly.
things. Whatever the basic salary is required, हाँ, इतना भी लो नहीं कि आप बिल्कुल ही work ना हो.
Correct.
But I think these people and these companies these days, I think they are smart enough.
Yeah.
They will value for that, I think, talent, and then you just simple. Don't try to negotiate too much, and don't lose the opportunity just because
Yeah,
of
that's a
salary.
very important point.
Salary thing unnecessary.
Yeah.
Because बड़ी मुश्किल से तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, इंटरव्यू क्लियर हुआ और उसमें भी सैलरी पे बात अटक गई. जो भी मिल रहा है एक बार ले लो, 6 महीने 1 साल काम करो, लर्न करो, रिज्यूमे में एंटर करो उस कंपनी की वैल्यू, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट यू जस्ट गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. आई थिंक दैट इज द राइट वे, एंड जो रिजल्ट आएगा वो 2-3 साल आपको दिखने, 2-3 साल के बाद आपको दिखना स्टार्ट होगा.
Correct.
तो अभी ये मत करो कि नहीं यार ओवरनाइट कुछ मैजिक हो जाएगा और कल मेरे को 15-20 लाख का पैकेज मिल जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा, आई थिंक.
Yeah. So salary part is again always debatable.
Yeah.
So first you get into the company, okay, and then you can see what is your performance rate. Because
Right.
sometimes if you perform good, you might get your double increment, right? Quarterly, sometimes even half yearly increment
Correct.
is there. So that salary part is again we can see. Yeah. So these are very 3 important questions. So we have 3 more questions, but again this video will be a little long. Okay. So that next 3 questions we will be taking in the next video. So thank you so much guys for watching this, and thank you Naveen
Thanks, Mukesh.
for sharing
That's
its
fine.
views. And
Thank you guys. Thanks
Thank
for
you so
watching
much,
Mukesh Advani channel. Please subscribe to the channel and like and
Like,
put the
share,
comment
subscribe.
over there. And then if you have any question, definitely I'll try to reply over there. Definitely. And then please share these videos with the needy one who can check these things.
Exactly.
We are not claiming that okay we are expert or something, but whatever we have seen in the market with our experience, we just try to
Exactly.
share our points on that.
and even if you have some views from your end,
Correct.
you're always welcome. Please let us know your thoughts, your views in the comment section over the email, and we would love to hear your views on this.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.